Hello students, once again welcome all of you in my maths online class, and this is our third video of chapter 2, that is a exponent. In my previous video I have explained you how to find the value of exponent and how to write the reciprocal of given exponent. In today's video we solve the exercise 2a, all the remaining question. So before the exercise, first we solve the last homework, and last homework was question number 4 and 5. So students, let's start now. First question is 4 upon 5 raised to the power 2 multiplied by minus 5 raised to the power 2. And you know very well how we can solve this type question. This is the which form? This is the exponential form. In exponential form, we have two parts. This is the base and this is the power. This is the base and this is the power. And we solve according to the power. Means first we expand the numbers according to the power. So what is here? 4 upon minus 5 power 2. So 4 upon minus 5 multiplied by how many times? 2 times. And then multiply by minus 5 how many times? 2 times. Multiply by minus 5, multiply by minus 5. Look here, 4 upon minus 5 multiply by 4 upon minus 5 multiply by minus 5 multiply by minus 5. So we can write here as a one denominator of minus 5. Then observe the denominator and numerator, all the fractions. 4 numerator, here is a 4 numerator, here is a minus 5 numerator, here is a 5 minus 5 numerator, here is a minus 5 denominator, here is a minus 5 denominator, here is a 1 denominator, here is a 1 denominator. Any denominator or numerator divisible each other? Yes. Minus 5 and minus 5, this minus 5, this minus. So minus 5 ones are minus 5, minus 5 ones are minus 5, means minus 5 are the cancels. So what is left here? Here is left 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. 4 4 ja 16, 16 1 ja 16 and 16 1 ja again 16. Then answer will be 16. Now in second question, what is given here? Minus 2 upon 3 raised to the power 4 and minus 3 upon 4 raised to the power 3. So we expand according to the power. So minus 2 upon 3 power 4 means minus 2 upon 3 multiplied by how many times? 4 times. And in this question, which one is a base and which one is a power? Here is a minus 2 upon 3 is a base and 4 is the powers. Power here is a minus 3 upon 4 is a base and 3 is a power. So minus 2 upon 3 multiplied by minus 2 upon 3 multiplied by minus 2 upon 3 multiplied by minus 2 upon 3. Then multiply by minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by minus 3 upon 4 multiplied by minus 3 upon 4. Why? Because power here is a 3 and y is here multiplied by again and again and 4 times because power is a 4. Then look here, is equal to minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. These are a numerator. And then 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Then multiply by 4, multiply by 4, multiply by 4. These are a denominator. Then look, in numbers are divisible each other? Yes, 3 and 3. So minus 3 cancel 3, then 3 cancelled by this 3, then this 3 cancel this 3. And then any numbers, others divisible 2 and 4, 4 and this 2, 4 and this 2. So we can cancel it. 2 ones are and 2 twos are. 2 ones are, 2 twos are 4. Then 2 ones are and 2 twos are 4. So what is the left here? Here is the left minus 2 minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 2. And then minus 1 upon 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Any numbers here? We cancel? Yes, we can cancel minus 2 and this 2. So what is left here? What is left there? Minus minus plus, minus minus plus, and plus minus minus, mean minus 1 upon 3 to the 6 and then 6 to the 12. Minus 1 upon 12. This is the answer. Now second is a reciprocal. How we can convert any number or any fraction in reciprocal? By the interchanging numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. Means, so what is given here? Minus 3 upon 7. So 7 become, this is denominator 7, then 7 become a numerator and this numerator become a denominator. Then power will be same, power 2. But this is not answer. And which number this is? This is the rational number. And we know that rational number we always write in a standard form. So minus 7 upon 3 raised to power 2. And how we can write any rational number in standard form? Multiplying by minus 1 with numerator and denominator. Look here, minus 27 upon 64. 64 upon 27. This is the minus. Then minus 64 upon 27. This is the answer. Now here is a minus 5 raised to the power 2. So reciprocal. And we can write here is the upon 1. Then answer will be 1 upon minus 5 raised to power 2. But this is not last answer. Last answer is a minus 1 upon 5 raised to the power 2. This is the last answer. Now next, simplify. Question is a square bracket. Simplify. How we can solve the simplification? By according to the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule means BODMAS. B for bracket, O for half, T for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So first we open the bracket. In bracket there are 4 types bracket: square bracket, curly bracket, small bracket, and bar bracket. So this is the square, curly, small, and bar. These are types of bracket. Now which bracket here is that? Is square and small. And a small bracket 1 upon 2 raised to power 2 minus 1 upon 4 raised to power 3 bracket multiply by 2. So solve according to the BODMAS rule. First open the bracket. Which bracket? Is small bracket. 1 upon 2 raised to power 2 means 1 upon 2 multiply by 2 times. Minus 1 upon 4 raised to power 3 means 1 upon 4 multiply by 3 times. Multiply by 2. Then 2 to the 4, 1 upon 4 minus 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. Then multiply by 2. Then 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 64. Both denominator are different. Solved by the unlike fraction. We take the LCM of 64 and 64. LCM will be 64. Then 16 multiply by 1. 16 for the 64. Then minus 1 multiply by 1. And then multiply by 2 upon 64 multiply by 2. Then any number divisible, we can write here as a 1. Then and then answer will be 15 upon 32. How 32? Because 64 divided by 2, 32 is a 64. The next question is a, this is a 3 power raised to power 2 minus 2 raised to power 2 bracket division 1 upon 5 raised to power 2. Then open the bracket according to the exponential form, exponential rule, or expanded form. So 3 raised to power 2 means 3 multiplied by 2 times minus 2 multiplied by 2 times minus divide by 1 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 5. Then 9, 3 is 9, 2 to the 4, then 1 upon 25, 9 4, 5, 9 minus 4, 5, then divide by 125, and this is the division of fraction, and we know how we can divide. We cannot change the first fraction will be right as the same, and this is the first fraction, so 5 write as the same, then division convert in a multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second fraction. Then this is a 25. We know how we can write the reciprocal by the interchanging numerator to denominator. 5. Then 5 5s are 125. So this is the answer. So students, this was all about for today, and today's your homework is a solve the exercise 2a. Solve the exercise 2a, and your homework is attached in a description box. Thank you and take care.